Brian King is the owner of Crisis Pest Management Services. His business has been servicing the Gold Coast for the last 5 years. Brian has recently switched to using Maxforce Gels in commercial and domestic situations.
My experience with Maxforce was more of an accident than anything else. I've always been dead against any type of gel. I've always thought there was better ways to do it.
That was until Brian was called out to a cafe that was about to be closed down due to an unrelenting cockroach infestation.
We went to a difficult job at a cafe that was probably pretty close to being closed down by the health department. They'd had multiple pest management companies come in and try to treat the issue and couldn't get on top of it. It was extensive German cockroaches to the point where probably my top 2 or 3 cases I've ever seen. We used the Envu products, especially the Maxforce, throughout the cafe, and within 2 to 3 weeks we were completely on top of the problem.
Maxforce Fusion and Maxforce Active include a patented feeding stimulant and capsule technology within the gel matrix. This makes the Maxforce range highly attractive to adult cockroaches and nymphs alike, providing total life cycle control. And it's this control that Brian thinks makes the products both cost-effective and efficacious. The Maxforce range from Envu supports how you manage cockroaches. Maxforce Fusion provides a great initial treatment, highly attractive, palatable, controlling both adults and nymphs. Once initial control has been established, Maxforce Active provides an ongoing economical service or maintenance treatment. And if imported cockroaches spike and an emergency clean-out is required, switching to Maxforce Gold delivers a fast knockdown, resistance-fighting rotational partner. Once control has been re-established, return to using Maxforce Active as a maintenance treatment. And there are other benefits Brian believes are valuable too.
They're a little bit simpler to use. The colour differences in some of the gels, so you can actually apply them in different areas and they're not seen. I think that's really important when you're applying products like gels. So they're not as runny as some of the other products. So you can put them in places where other gels would normally run down and cause a staining.
Happy customers are the success of any small business, and Brian's business is no exception. The results speak for themselves.
He's amazed that we haven't had any reoccurrences inside the cafe. He's happier, more confident in the services that we provide. To this point, we're probably 6 months now. We haven't had any recurrence of cockroaches back in this area, which then pushed me more to investigating the ranges from Envu a little bit more, and I'm now pretty much a convert.